行こうよ一人でも明日を捕まえる駆け出そう傍らに誰もいないでも逆にむしろその方がいい頭が悪くても覚悟はなしでも出かけてみせるさ日常シーズン2日常シーズン2Well then, looks like the sun has come out and you know, we're out of the rain which is about time because that freaking sucked, dude, and it never ended. I mean, it ended for a couple minutes but then it went back again and I hated it. All my stuff is soaked. Needless to say, I'm not very happy. You know, I feel all cold and wet and sticky. Yeah, and then my hands and feet, they look like prunes. But whatever, enough complaining. Also, I'm going at a snail's pace, continuing, but I usually do when I'm in a major city or something, so, you know, that was expected. But, you know, bit by bit I'll go. I'll make it there. I was sitting at that Dollar General, you know, recharging my stuff, and some kids gave me like a drink, like one of those Power Armor drinks that I would never buy myself, but it was actually pretty good. So yeah, that was really kind. It was nice. Anyways, yeah, I thought my phone broke earlier because like for a very extended period of time there was no way it was opening or anything, but when I left it out in the sun just now, just charging it, it just works fine again. So I don't know, maybe when I try to open it again it's gonna break again, but we'll see. Well, there we go. We're all set up for the night. Right behind this Dollar General, and I actually considered going in there and getting a snack or something for tonight, just for the novelty of it. But we'll see. Also, this is like mosquito haven. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, they're just biting me all over. That kind of sucks, but you know, bakers can't be choosers. Anyways. Well, today kind of sucked because of the rain, but you know what? It's all better now. I got my YouTube videos, I got my chips, and I'm just gonna chill out for now. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. Alright, good night. So it should be a very nice day. Because in around 30 miles in Ashtabula, my debit card is waiting for me. However, it rained a whole lot last night, so all of my stuff is soaked. I feel all soggy and itchy and miserable. So this day is not starting out to a great start. Also, I smell absolutely putrid.
but that's my own fault. So what I'm hoping to do by the end of the day is find a nice park with an outlet and use that. Look at these clouds. I don't think it's supposed to rain today, but it is supposed to rain like all of this week after today. So yeah, I'm hoping to take shelter in a park somewhere and then spend a few days editing, you know, getting my chi together, getting my cool together, and yeah, maybe stop saying and stuttering to the camera for a while, I hope. Anyways, let's see what the road shall provide us with.
Yeah, just eating these for breakfast because I'm feeling lazy and impatient. Whatever. It's only like 20 miles away, that Ashtabula, so I don't know. And it does seem like there's plenty of parks there as well, so I should be fine today, hopefully. Just hope I don't get kicked out again. Not that it's that big a deal, I just don't like confrontation, you know.
Alright, so yeah, I got money now. And I also got some snacks and a heartwarming letter as well. Thank you, Mom. So I decided to perhaps make this park my home base for a couple days, because there's outlets over there. I don't know if I showed them, but they're not exactly protected by the rain, unfortunately. These restrooms are closed, but there is a porta potty right there, right next to the outlets, unfortunately. But hey, I'm not gonna beg. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'll just charge up my stuff here, and then when it starts raining, I'll just go back to this pavilion, and then you know, wait for it to stop, and then I can charge up again. So not a perfect system. Of course, it would be much better if the pavilion had the outlets in it, but I mean, it's kind of a bad timing to be camping. It's Friday, so if I went to a better park, I feel like there would just be more people, more trouble. And this park doesn't seem very well managed. I don't mean that I mean that in a good way, because you know, then maybe people will be more relaxed about some dude just hanging out here all the time. Also, there's a bird's nest with a bird in it right there. Check her out. Hey, Boo-Boo. What's up? Look at her. Hey there. Dude, it's been like 3 days. This rain ain't stopping. I'm gonna continue to stay here, man. I don't care. It's nice doing nothing. So yeah, that was a really good 4 or 5 day break. It's been raining non-stop, that's why I haven't left, and it's really sucked. I even considered not heading out even today, but then now I see the sun's coming out, so yeah, I gotta go. Freaking a couple notable things happened. Like one night I was just sleeping over there, and then 2 other homeless people came over here. They were like a couple, and they said what's up and whatever, and I just kind of ignored them. And then they were doing their thing, and then they really started doing their thing. They started copulating in front of me, right here, on about that part of the bench, which I do have about a 2-second clip of. I got on my phone. I wasn't just gonna sit there and record them doing it the whole time, but here it is. Also, a really nice lady came over to me like yesterday. She said, "Yeah, I've seen you hanging out here for a while," and she gave me like McDonald's, like a full meal of McDonald's, and then an entire bag of snacks, which was really nice of her. And then at the night, like when I was ready to have my dinner of peanut butter and celery sticks, she comes again and she brings me an entire pepperoni pizza. Both of these times I rejected it, saying I didn't need it, of course, but if she went through all that work just to give me that stuff, I'm not gonna reject it, you know. But yeah, so I now have food for all of today, which is quite nice. Anyway, I gotta set this up. This is gonna be a pain in the butt.